In this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw a simple rose. I'm starting out with a spiral shape and the bell shape coming from the spiral shape. And two lines indicating the base of the flower. Some more details like the leaves. Don't forget to look up where you can put leaves on a rose, like where they are and those things. And when you're done with your spiral shape and done with the line art, you can draw little lines going towards the beginning of the rose from the edges of the spiral shape to indicate a rose-like look. That's it. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more drawing videos.